met a nerd bigger than you?
There's a couple, but I'm pretty nerdy.
No, seriously. So this guy at Ash Industries invented a little tool that allows you to see the different aspects of injection molding, because it's much more effective to hold it in your hand than it is to see it on a print.
Well, hold on a second. It shows you how to design better where certain things in the part that you're about to make will be less expensive or stronger. You'll see what the finish looks like before you go through and have the wrong finish. It's all in this one little giveaway tool called the N.E.R.D tool.
By the way, you could get it for free. Watch till the end. So, Rob, in your honor, the N.E.R.D for the nerd.
Nobody knows more about injection molding than a nerd. If you use injection molding, this free device is going to rock your world. If you've been around a long time, you're working with people who aren't so experienced. Marketing, accounting, the people providing the CapEx to make the program go. You're trying to talk to them and explain to them the elements that make a successful part. They don't understand why you need a radius. They don't know why the wall has to be that thick. They don't understand the impact of a good surface finish. And it's tough to explain. This N.E.R.D tool can show them all the features that you need in injection molding so you can design a successful part. And the N.E.R.D can help you help them. Let the N.E.R.D tell you how to save money, create great cosmetic effects, and build a part that will last.